Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is important update about KCET 2025 and you should know the total number of applications or registrations which has been done this year. And this will give you complete idea about how this will be competitive compared to last year. So let me first start with the last year information. So this is last year KCET 2024 detailed breakdown. So you can see last year approximately 3.49 lakh students, that is 3.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs 49,653 students applied for KCET, but the total number of students who appeared were 3 lakh 10,314. That means around 39,000 students did not appear for KCET exam last year. And some other dates like exam last year was on April 18th and 19th, and the results were declared on June 1st 2024. So that is about 2024. Now let's this year's date which has happened. So registration for KCET 2025 started in 23rd January 2025, and then February 24 was the last date to register. So approximately 1 month's time was given, and last date to pay fees was February 25, 2025. So again in the month of February itself. So basically you want to now know how many students are appearing or registered for this year's. So this is important update which has come in the Hindu newspaper, which said about the KCET 2025 exam dates, which is April 15th, April 16th and April 17th. And it also says that students can edit application even after the exam, right? So that is the update which came on March 21st. You can see the date also and Hindi Bureau, and I will just discuss that article where it talks about the total students, right? So if you see Mr. Prasanna, right, who is from the KEA, Karnataka Examination Authority, so he has come up with the details saying that this year 3,64,778 candidates have applied. So they applied on the current session, but the total fees which were paid were only 3,44,989 students. So around 20,000 students did not pay the fees. So the students who paid the fees, or the total number of students registered successfully, were 3,44,989. That means approximately 5,000 less students are giving KCET exam this year compared to last year. Last year it was 3,49,000. This year it is 3,44,000 who paid the fees. Now out of these students, right, there were around 1,36,000 students who have verified online using SAT system. You would have done SAT system, which is Student Achievement Tracking System. So approximately 1.3 lakh students have already verified online through this system, and another 1,64,000 who have not used SAT system for verification, but they have verified the records in their colleges and are also deemed eligible for writing KCET 2025. So you know how many students verified through SATs and how many students verified through the colleges, right? And around 44,000 candidates needs to have their records verified. So these students have not verified, but they will verify soon, which is 44,000 candidates have yet not verified their records. And those students whose claims have not been verified can get their records checked in their respective PU colleges or nearby government PU science colleges according to Mr. Prasanna KE. So there is an opportunity for completing your verification. So you can see the competition is big this year also, and best of luck to all the students who are preparing for the KCET exam, and prepare well and don't waste your time. That's all in this particular video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to get similar updates on KCET and Comedk exams. Take care and bye.